Hello, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for everything career, tech and motivation. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and join our ongoing community of dreamers and achievers. Today we are tackling a crucial topic for every student, off-campus placements. Whether your college isn't on a major recruiter's radar or you just want to explore bigger opportunities, off-campus is often the golden path to land your dream job. Ready to learn the 5-step plan that has helped countless students score top roles? Let's jump in. On this channel, we bring you actionable insights and proven strategies so you can take charge of your career. No excuses, no limits. Today's video is all about turning your off-campus dream into a reality. So let's get started with step 1. First, build a standout resume and LinkedIn profile. Your resume is often the first impression you will make on a recruiter, and off-campus first impressions matter the most than ever. Unlike campus placements where companies already know your college or have a set of hiring quota, off-campus recruiters rely on your resume to judge your potential. So make it ATS friendly by using simple fonts, bullet points, and clear section headings. Highlight your major projects, internships, hackathons, or coding competition achievements. If you have relevant extracurriculars like leadership roles or organizational experiences, mention them, but do so concisely, focusing on the real impact you made. At the same time, LinkedIn is your digital billboard. Recruiters often search for candidates via LinkedIn filters, so treat your LinkedIn like a personal website, showcasing your best work. Write a compelling headline, not just student at XYZ college, but something like aspiring data scientist, 2x hackathon winner, AI enthusiast. Use the about section to narrate your story, including your passion for technology, your unique projects, and your career goals. Make sure to request recommendations from mentors or peers who can speak to your skill set. And finally, stay active, comment on industry posts, share articles that interest you, and regularly update your accomplishments. A lively LinkedIn profile can make recruiter come to you rather than the other way around. Second, master competitive coding and real-world projects. When it comes to off-campus placements, skill is king. And nowhere is that more evident than in competitive coding and practical projects. Competitive coding, platforms like CodeChef, LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeForces not only sharpen your DSA, data structures and algorithms prowess, but also familiarize you with time-bound problem solving. Many off-campus online assessments mirror these exact formats, so consistent practice translates directly into better test performance. Aim to solve easy, medium, and eventually tough problems, pushing your limits and growing your confidence. But coding challenges alone won't guarantee that job. Show recruiters you can apply that knowledge in real-world contexts by building projects, whether it's a responsive web application, a mobile app for a pressing social issue, or a small-scale AI model that recognizes images. These projects highlight your creativity and grit. Document everything on GitHub or a personal portfolio website so employers can dive into your code and see your evolution as a developer. The strongest candidates merge algorithmic brilliance with hands-on application, and that's exactly what off-campus recruiters want to see. Third, network, and network. Off-campus placements thrive on relationships and referrals. Don't underestimate the power of genuine networking. Attend industry webinars, online hackathons, and virtual networking events. Get active in communities on Discord, Slack, or Reddit, where like-minded tech enthusiasts gather. The goal to make meaningful connections with peers, mentors, and even recruiters. When you add value like sharing a solution, giving feedback on someone's project, or providing insights on a trending tech topic, you build credibility and friendship organically. And let's not forget LinkedIn. Send thoughtful connection requests to professionals in your dream companies, especially those in roles you aspire to. But please avoid spamming generic messages. Instead, mention a project of theirs you found inspiring or a recent company milestone that caught your eye. Show genuine curiosity, ask a polite question, and express why would you love to connect. Over time, these small gestures can lead to a direct referral or a job lead. Networking isn't about collecting contacts, it's about cultivating relationships where you and your new contacts can help each other grow. Fourth, perfect the art of cold emails and referrals. Sometimes the difference between getting hired or being ignored is a strategic cold email. We have all heard the phrase slide into their inbox, but success hinges on how you do it. A killer cold email stands out by being short, personalized, and compelling. Start with a quick intro, your background, your top skills or achievements, then highlight why this specific company resonates with you. Show you have done your research, whether it's mentioning a recent product launch or a social initiative that aligns with your passions. And with a clear call to action, ask if they are open to quick call or if they can forward your resume to HR. Referrals are equally powerful. Find employees in your target company, maybe your seniors from college or people you connected with online. Politely ask if there's a referral program and if they would be open to recommend you. Many companies actually incentivize employees for successful referrals, so it's a win-win. Remember, keep your messages respectful and professional. Provide a link to your polished resume or portfolio to make it easy for them to pitch your profile internally. With a well-crafted email and the right referral, you can bypass the black hole of generic online applications. Fifth, soft skills and intense interview prep. After acing the coding test or capturing a recruiter's eye with your resume, you will face the interview rounds. Don't be fooled. Technical brilliance alone won't seal the deal. Recruiters also crave great communication, teamwork, and problem-solving flair. Polished soft skills can be your trump card, especially in off-campus scenarios where competition is fierce. Practice with mock interviews, sit with a friend, or use online platforms. Record yourself, pay attention to your body language, eye contact, and tone. Confidence matters. Then there's the technical interview. Prepare for fundamental questions about DSA, OOP concepts, operating systems, and maybe some domain-specific queries like web dev, data science, etc. Don't overlook HR or behavioral questions either. They reveal how well you fit in the team culture. Expect queries like tell me about a time you failed or why should we hire you. Instead of memorizing scripts, have bullet points of real experiences. Authentic stories resonate more than canned lines. Show them you can handle adversity, collaborate, and keep learning. Key traits for any off-campus hire. And that's your 5-step game plan to crush off-campus placements like a pro. Remember, off-campus placements success is all about consistency, resilience, and a sprinkle of creativity. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more career and tech insights. Drop your questions or success stories in the comments. I read every one of them. Follow me on social media. The links are in the description below. Let's build a community of dreamers, doers, and off-campus conquerors.